guys, welcome to Technical Manii. In this video today we will see how to download song from any video, or in other words we can say how to convert any video to mp3 song. And just there are two ways of doing this. So first we will discuss the first way, that is by application. There are thousands and millions of applications available on Play Store about this. You can just have to search by different names: video to mp3 converter, song extractor, and anything. Look, there are many nice rating applications: 4.0, 4.5, 4.7. look, so first way is this. I'm not going to download any application as it's just time waste. So, and the second way is very easy, that is without any application, and that is online, as everything is now available online. So we'll go to Google and we'll write song extractor from video and then see what happens. So here we're gonna select which video we want. So I'll click by mistake on downloads. I want to click on this WhatsApp video, and this I will select this dancing video, and let's see after the process completes. So I have opened the mp3 file and I have downloaded it now. It's already downloaded. Let's listen to it. You can't listen because the video is muted. So in this way you can convert it online, and like the video if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.